Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to show you how to solder this small piece of pipe in this chain. So let's start the video. So here it is. The process is complete. Here as you can see the pipe is attached to the chain. So that's it in today's video. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.